So I realized just a couple of days ago that I was just getting too much noise from downstairs through the stairwell. Noise in the attic is okay, but not noise from downstairs. So I decided to move my workstation to the back of the attic, and this is what that process looks like. What a mess. That table needs to be moved over to there. This is Penny. Penny the dog. She's a good dog. So this is my old Yamaha keyboard. And over here I have a really old PV mixer, and man, this thing is built like a Sherman tank. That's a newer Mackie mixer that I use for an audio interface sometimes. There's my Crown amp, my DBX compressor, an old tape machine. Boy, that thing's dirtier than a politician. Right, Penny? I think she's just confused because everything's different now. Guitars. More guitars. My wall of amps. The Godzilla speakers, the Yamaha acoustic. My custom signature bass. And I got blankets strewn over everything here and here and on the dog, just to keep the sound dead. So back over here. Okay, this is the table right here where my workstation used to be. But there was just so much noise coming up from the stairwell here. You can see that big round fan sitting down there on the floor. That thing makes a lot of noise. And the dog coming up and down the stairs. But that's basically it. Hope it was interesting. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. And most importantly of all, keep recording. Thank you.